Hey guys, it's Tyler from Reviews of Cool Stuff, and today we're looking at this. This is the Guttermaster Pro telescopic water pole or wand. I don't know if it's a pole or a wand, but what it does is it cleans out your gutters. And I have needed this for so long, so I'm excited to do this review for you today where I can tell you a little bit about the features and my experience using it. I've been using it for a few weeks. This review will be a little different because I thought I was only going to review cleaning gutters, but the truth is I've used this for a bunch of different things. So first, this is the Guttermaster Pro, which is different from just the normal Guttermaster. The normal Guttermaster extends to 16 feet. You'll see, so it's got these nice grips on it, and it's got the on-off valve here, which is really nice. So you plug it, you just put it into a normal hose, and then when you start, you just simply turn the knob, and it will go through. So to turn it on, you just get that knob and you turn it, go ahead. And it just comes right out. Look at that pressure, woo! You've got these nice grips so it's easy to carry and easy to hold. But then, you see I have two different things I can adjust because it's telescopic. So all you have to do is unscrew it and it will loosen it up. And then you can pull it out several more feet when you put it back to screw it back in, because the water pressure will push it back out again. So if you don't tighten it, then it will just fully extend, which is fine if that's what you want to do, if you want it fully extended, but it actually goes really long. So the normal Guttermaster goes 12 feet, which is essentially one of these, but on this thicker one, it has room for two pulls inside. So then I can also unscrew this one, and then I get another 4 feet off of it. And so it's gonna go a full 16 feet. Now, for a normal house and normal gutters, you possibly, if you're tall like me, you don't even have to extend it at all. Like this will reach up into the gutters in my front yard. In my backyard, well, actually on the side, there's a few gutters that are higher up, and so I do need to extend it a few feet for that. And then if my wife and kids are using it, they have to extend it a few feet. So for most normal single level homes, you just need the Guttermaster. You don't need the Guttermaster Pro. However, if you get the Guttermaster Pro, it will reach all the way up to a second story. So if you have 2 levels above ground, you can still reach those gutters. I don't personally need that for my house, but it was only a few extra dollars on the cost for that, and I thought enough people are gonna wanna borrow this from me, and a lot of my neighbors have 2-story homes. I thought it wouldn't hurt just to get it so it could extend, and then it even gives me access to hard to reach places. The reason that matters is I found this is really cool. We got it to clean the gutters, and it does that great. You simply turn it on, you point it in the gutter, you work your way over, and it just cleans the gunk out. Now, fortunately, my gutters aren't too gunked up right now, and so it's just maintaining. I can do this once or twice in the season, and it's gonna keep my gutters clean and clear, and I should be fine. It's when you let it gunk up over years and years and years that you have a problem. But even with that, this has so much pressure coming off the nozzle that it will clean all the gunk up and the dirt up, and you can just squirt it right in. So it's way more effective than if you were like to climb a ladder and do a hose into it, or if you had to like scoop the gunk out with your hand, which is so horrible. This one, it acts like a pressure washer, and that's the unexpected surprise that I had, is that it comes in, there's no special attachment on the end, there's no assembly or anything, you just hook it up to your hose, extend it to the length you want, and it squirts out, and it gets a lot of pressure off this little nozzle. And because it can do that, we found that we started using it for other things. We started clearing out our cobwebs. We started, like, if there was like bird poop on the side of the house, we can now reach it and spray it just like we would with a pressure washer. But we don't own a pressure washer. We've always had to borrow one of those from someone else. Now we have something that it's not a ton of pressure, but it's enough to clean some of those surface things. And so that is really, really cool for us because it's more force than you'd get with just your traditional hose because it's pointed. And so the angle and the pressure that comes through that nozzle, it works really great for reaching things that you're trying to clean off and do things with. Now, the other cool thing is, you'll notice that it's just a normal nozzle, but it does have a thing that can screw. That's because you can get attachments for this. So if you want to use this to actually clean windows and things like that, there's a window attachment. I didn't get that one because I don't have any windows high up. But what I did do is I got just this simple attachment. This is the flower shower, and I'll make a separate video for this. But this is super cool because it just pops on. You don't even have to screw it on. You just push it on, and it easily goes on. And then it creates a shower so you can reach like hanging plants that are up higher, or even for us, there are some of our bushes and trees that we can't access very well just because of the growth in our garden and stuff, and so we can just reach this over things to water things that maybe don't normally get it. So I've been really pleased with it so far. At the beginning, there were a few times where it seemed to be leaking off the sides and stuff like that, and we just learned quickly that there's nothing wrong with the Guttermaster. We just needed to tighten everything appropriately and make sure that it was on snug, and then we didn't have any leakage problems. It worked really smooth and did a good job for us. And because it's just a pole, it fits in with all our other tools in the garage. So we can just keep it in the garage collapsed, so it's still pretty big collapsed. It's bigger than a traditional shovel, but it fits with all of our other tools, and I don't think we're gonna have to pull it out more than once every few months, which is wonderful because it's saving us a lot of time and energy, and it certainly makes a really positive difference. I couldn't believe how effective it was and how easy it was to use. So this is one that I can give a glowing recommendation to. It's wonderful. And so I'll go ahead and I'll put a link in the description. So if you want to get one, it will take you over to Amazon, and that will be an affiliate link. And I just think they're awesome. And I'm a big fan of at least the flower shower attachment, but I haven't tried the other attachments, so I don't know how helpful they are, but I do know that this has been just incredible. So go ahead and grab one by following the link. All right, thanks, bye-bye.